I have fell in love with the toy section at Dollar Tree, and I found this beautiful plastic bin. I bought some Target spray, gold, metallic gold that is, and I just went to work. I spray painted all the animals, and I also spray painted the tray. It only takes about an hour for it to dry. And then here's how I put everything together. And here's what I did with my spray painted Noah's Ark Gold Edition. I had this placemat I found in Dollar Tree last night. Put it in a frame that I was gifted for my birthday, and since the zebra is gold, I put him and the elephant on top of that. Then I put the tiger in, I guess you could say, the forest. This is actually a tissue box that I got, and these are foliage that came from the Dollar Tree. I put the wonderful giraffe over here with moss. I literally covered balls from the Dollar Tree in their moss, if you want to know what that was. And then here's the tiger, and Emmanuel says it's the perfect place to put them, on top of them, and let your faith be bigger than your fear. So that's what I did with my animals, and everything you see just about in my room is from the Dollar Tree. Like literally I cut out a bag that I got from Valentine's Day, put stickers from the Dollar Tree that I had. And let me show you this trash can right quick. Yeah, I decorated my trash can with a sticker from Dollar Tree. Bye!